Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Qualcomm Pulse, where we dive into the latest news and trends in the world of tech. Today, we're talking about a company that's been on a wild ride, Qualcomm, or QCOM for short. Now you might be thinking, what's going on with QCOM? It's taken a beating over the past year. And yes, it has. But here's the thing, the company's latest numbers are telling a very different story. They're showing robust growth, record revenues, and no signs of stalling. So what's behind this turnaround? Let's take a closer look at Qualcomm's dominance in 5G technology. The company's Snapdragon processors and 5G modem platforms like the X85 are powering premium smartphones from brands like Xiaomi. And with global 5G connections projected to hit 2 billion by 2025, Qualcomm is raking in royalties $1.3 billion in Q2 alone. But that's not all. Qualcomm's 5G technology is making inroads beyond mobile devices, powering transformative applications in new sectors like industrial automation and smart cities. The company has secured partnerships to integrate 5G into private networks for industrial automation, enabling real-time data processing for smart factories. And with deployments in urban infrastructure expected to grow as global investments in smart cities reach $1.8 trillion by 2030, Qualcomm is poised for big gains. Now, let's talk about diversification. Qualcomm's automotive segment has soared 59% year-over-year, generating notable revenue as carmakers adopt Snapdragon digital chassis for connected and autonomous vehicles. And with partnerships with major automakers, including contracts to supply chips for next-gen electric cars, the company is pivoting from smartphone reliance. But what really sets Qualcomm apart is its focus on AI and data centers. The CEO recently shared plans for the company's return to the data center market through a partnership with NVIDIA. Together, they're developing custom ARM-based CPUs built for AI workloads, a move that could take on established players like Intel and AMD. So, what does this mean for QCOM stock? Well, it's trading in what looks like deep value territory. The company has seen its shares decline consistently over the past year, but profitability surges. And with earnings growth expected at 10–12% annually over the next 5 years, the potential for significant upside is hard to overlook. In fact, Wall Street analysts are more optimistic about QCOM's prospects now than ever before. The stock features a moderate buy consensus rating based on 8 buy, 8 hold, and 1 sell recommendations over the past 3 months. And at $178.31, the average QCOM stock price target implies an upside potential of ~23% from current levels. So is Qualcomm Pulse right to say that QCOM's stock may be down, but it's hardly out? Absolutely. With strong leadership in 5G, rapid growth in automotive and IoT, and an ambitious move into AI and data centers, the company is firing on all cylinders. And at what appears to be a bargain valuation, the potential for earnings growth and multiple expansion is hard to overlook. That's it for today's Qualcomm Pulse. Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video.